Welcome to Touch Technology Review. Today I'm going to unbox and review the Microsoft Surface Pro type cover. It comes in at around $200 US or $249 Australian, which is around $50 more than the standard Surface keyboard. And the reason for the price difference is the use of the premium Alcantara fabric, which feels a lot like suede, but has the benefit of not being made of any animal products and is said to be sustainable and 100% carbon neutral. It's an Italian fabric made of polyester, about 68%, and polyurethane, about 32%. In addition to being featured prominently in recent Microsoft Surface products, Alcantara is used by various companies in the fashion, interior, automotive, yachting, and aviation industries. One notable automaker that uses Alcantara in its vehicles, for example, is Porsche. It's stain resistant to a degree and very soft. It's relatively durable and doesn't fade easily. I've got the Cobalt blue version in the Alcantara fabric to unbox and test today, but it's also available in burgundy and platinum for the same price. In terms of specs, it weighs only 310 grams. It has a length of 295 millimeters by 217 millimeters width, and it's only 5 millimeters thin. The keyboard layout is full QWERTY configuration with the full range of function keys from F1 to F12 at the top. It has dedicated buttons for Windows shortcuts, MIDI controls such as volume and playback, and also screen brightness. The glass mouse pad feels great and is very accurate and responsive and allows for left and right button mouse click with 1 and 2 finger clicks. It includes a magnetic interface which allows you to click the keyboard into place as soon as you move it into position near your Surface Pro. It only works when connected to the Surface Pro, and combined with the built-in kickstand on the Surface, you can actually maneuver it into all sorts of positions. That makes for great ergonomics whether you're using it on the desktop or your laptop in front of the TV. In terms of the typing experience itself, there's a fair amount of travel on the keys despite the very thin nature of the keyboard. The keys themselves feel great. They're full plastic keys, but they have a kind of rubbery feel, so they're very tactile and grippy. And I found that typing with this was a really pleasurable experience. So hopefully this information was helpful to you. If you've got any questions about this keyboard and you want to ask them, feel free to put them in the comments box below. If you'd like to see me review other products, also feel free to mention them and we'll see if we can get a review in the not too distant future. And also don't forget to hit that like button and consider subscribing to the channel so you'll be notified of up and coming video releases. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Bye for now.